Like a nice hot chili pepper or cayenne pepper. Ooh. Throw that in my basket. And we're gonna go get some Hungarian yellow wax peppers and some jalapenos. Let's see. Yeah, I'll take this one off. Let's go, let's see. We got some jalapenos that I'm gonna take off of here yet. Yeah, I'll take this one. Jalapeno. I mean, that might be all that I'm gonna take up here. There's some in the back. It's too small. This one ain't looking good. I'm gonna cut this one off. So what I'll do is, because this one is not doing great, I'll just put some of these seeds in here. They grow, they grow. If they don't, they don't. But you reap what you sow. That all. And in the very least, it's compost for the soil. I'll clip this one, add that to the basket. So we got a nice amount of peppers on here, but I'm gonna let these turn red. I'm gonna make some hot sauce out of these. See if we got anything else right down here. So I'll clip this one. So I want this one to produce more. This one has more flowers on it, but the flowers are dying and falling off. So it's like most of the energy is going towards this one pepper. So we have to facilitate the growth of more peppers. This one ready. I'll take it. Looks like that's it for now. Volunteers everywhere. Well, that's it. That's it for now. That's all, folks.